What's wrong with me? I don't know. Anyway, I'm Nye. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have an unboxing for you guys that I am extremely excited to open so that I can start using. So this item was actually gifted to me by my mommy, and Mom Dukes, if you're watching, thank you again. So the thing is, there were two things. I was going back and forth between this item and another item. And so I just asked my mom, like, what do you think? And she was like, you know what, the other item is cute, but this looks more like your style and looks more like you. So without further ado, let's get into this, because I don't know about you guys, but I am one of those people who hates to wait, especially when it's an unboxing. Even if I've read the title and I know what's in the box, I need you to open it. I need to see what you got. So let's stop talking and let's get into it. So I'm gonna undo this ribbon. And again, I don't know why I feel the need to detail every step of the way what I'm doing when you can clearly see me, because if you tuned in, that means you're watching. But anyway, you know it's from LV. I don't have an LV boutique where I live, so my family lives in Phoenix. So I went down there for the holidays, and my mother and I ended up going into the boutique to see this item because I've never seen it in person. I've only seen it online. And originally I was like, I don't know. But then when I saw it in the boutique and in person, I fell in love. So without further ado, as I said, and then I continued to talk and not open the box. So my apologies for that. I feel like they should have given me a bigger box for what it is, but maybe not. So, ooh, where are we? Okay, here we are. So I have for you all, yes, it is the Multi-Pochette Accessories in the Empriente. And I just need you guys to get into this. I need y'all to get into the material, the leather. That Empreinte with that giant monogram is like, it is so stunning. Now, you can see it online, but when you see it in person, man, it takes the cake. And I personally was blown away by how gorgeous this was in person. So I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this, like, I think it came out last year maybe, but when I first saw it, I was like, that's interesting. It's cute, but I don't know. But again, when I saw it in person, I was like, yeah, I could see, I get the allure. I get why people are gravitating towards this. Now, originally, I wanted it in the cream, but unfortunately, it's like off-white cream. But unfortunately, when I went in, it was out of stock, and it was also out of stock online. So I didn't get a chance to see that in person, because that would have probably been the one I would have gone for had they had it. But since they didn't, I got this one. But I'm not mad, because I do wear a lot of black. I feel like black goes with everything, and I really just wanted the cream because I don't have anything that color. So I wanted to kind of start off with something like that. And I definitely knew if I got like a white bag or a cream handbag that I wanted it to be in leather. Just, I don't even know if that makes a difference, but I knew that that's what I wanted. So anyway, this also comes in the canvas version. Very, very popular for the past couple of years. Also highly sought after, and also always sold out. The canvas option for me wasn't really an option. I think it's very cute. I think it's adorable, but there's something about that strap that I'm just like, I don't know how much use I would get out of that. So I went with this one, because I think it's really pretty, but also I think it's very elegant, and I think it's very versatile. So you do have the mini pochette that's on the front here, and then you have the full-size pochette, which I think is a cute little ensemble. What I really love the most, if I'm being honest with you guys, is this chain. Like, get into this, like, hello. And the fact that it has the leather woven in, I just think that is so stunning, and it just makes the bag look completely just so elegant and refined, at least to me. That's just my opinion, just saying. You also get a second strap, which is something that I think is pretty cool, because if you wanted to go a little more casual with it, you could just opt for the leather strap. It is a full leather strap. It is adjustable, and I believe this is the same strap as the Neo Noe, I believe. So this is pretty cool too. I'll play around with this later, try and figure out how to adjust it. I don't have time for this right now on camera, but this is so gorgeous. When you see the black against the gold, it is just so gorgeous. So I just can't. I'm looking at it now, even doing this video for you guys, and I'm like, ooh, you did a good job. But anyway, so this is also detachable, which I also like about it. Again, just adding to the versatility of the piece. You could wear this alone, or you could wear it together, obviously, but also that, ooh, girl. Also, the fact that you can interchange the straps, you can either wear the straps together or pick and choose which one. I think that is so nice. I think if you wanted to go out like date night, or go out with your girlfriends and you didn't want to have a lot in your hands, but you wanted to jazz it up a little or jazz your outfit up a little, this is a great alternative. The fact that these straps are removable is great as well. But so if you didn't want to carry a lot, so you don't need the full size pochette, then you can always opt for carrying the mini size, which I think is a nice size for just, even if you were just running around to the grocery store, I feel like this is still a really good size to just throw your wallet, throw some cards in, your keys, hand sanitizer, mask, and we're out the door. Like, this is something that I feel like you don't have to think about to use. And because it's in such a staple color, again, you don't have to worry about trying to make it, style it with your outfits. It's a very, I feel like a very easy piece to style, and kind of, if you're, again, you need to get up and go, you can do that with this piece without having to think about it. I also love that it's in the leather, and as you can see, it's like a pebble leather. So it's not anything that you have to worry about staining or scratching or like getting nicks and necks, because obviously leather is pretty durable, but more importantly, pebble leather is pretty durable. So I love that about it. I love the giant monogram, and even though it's huge, because it's embossed or debossed, I'm not sure which one it is, so don't make me lie to you, but because of that, I feel like it's very understated. It's so you still get the joy of having a monogram piece, and but without being so flashy, if that makes any sense. As you can see, the monogram is there. You have the little Louis Vuitton tag there, and obviously has LV on the what are these things? You guys know what they are, but yeah, you have that. And then the interior is, it is a microfiber, but it's a black microfiber. So again, I feel like that just is a testament of how durable it's going to be, because if you do happen to spill anything in it, you can always just wipe that out. And because it's black and it's not a lighter color, it probably wouldn't be as noticeable. So I love that about it. And just like I said, the options that you have to either dress this up or dress it down, those are great, really great aspects of that. So then the large one, the larger one is the same. Hold on, let me just take these tags out. But the larger one is the same, microfiber as well, obviously a little more spacious, but the difference is it has a very substantial pocket on the inside, which I think is pretty nice. I think that, you know, if you wanted to throw your card holder, oh my gosh. If you wanted to throw your card holder in there, you could. It's probably not, you could probably fit a wallet in there, but I don't know that you would want to stretch it out with a huge wallet, even if it were a compact wallet. But yeah, this is a great little piece. I'm really, really happy that I got it. I'm really happy that I chose this. The other piece that I was looking at was the pochette métisse. I was looking at that in the Empriente as well, but you know, like I said, after seeing this, it's such a beautiful piece that I was like, I can't pass this up. And I felt like out of the two, this was for me. And I'm still gonna get the pochette métisse. Let's not be crazy, because I still think it's a beautiful bag. But if I'm talking about like for my lifestyle and for my wardrobe, this I believe will mesh very well into it, because I am a pretty casual person. I don't really dress up too much. I have occasions where I need to, but it's not often enough for me you know, but even with this piece, I feel like I have the ability to do both. And yeah, that's what you want. Something that can do both, something that is very stylish and still on trend, but also something that marries well into your wardrobe, and something that you know, especially spending this amount of money on, something that you know you're going to use and love and use again. So you want something that's cute, stylish, but you also want something that's functional. At least I do, because, you know, I'm not a celebrity or anybody going to fancy events. I'm just a regular girl who likes nice things. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Yeah, if you have any questions or anything else that you wanted to know about the bag. Oh, pricing. So this went up. I think before it was 21 or 22, and it's gone up substantially. So it is now $25.70. That's how much it retails for now. Do I think it's worth it? I think that's relative. I think it's totally up to you and how often you're going to use it. For my lifestyle and for me, I know I'm going to use the hell out of this thing. So yes, it's worth it to me. But you know, this, in all honesty, is the same price now as the Pochette Métis. So I would not have saved anything by either way. So because they're the same price, I felt like, well, go with what you'll use the most and go with what you like the most. And this is it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.